Hey everyone, welcome back to Ashley Teaches ESL. I'm Ashley, and on my channel you're going to find new videos every week all about getting hired as an online ESL teacher, kickstarting your teaching career, and bringing balance to your work and your life. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the new videos coming out every week, all just for online ESL teachers or aspiring VIPKid teachers. Please also feel free to check out my Facebook and my Instagram, where I also offer lots of free resources for new and aspiring online ESL teachers. Today we're going to be talking more about creating your VIPKid teacher profile. In the past couple videos, we've been talking about how to effectively market yourself and attract parents and students to your account that will be new students and then eventually, hopefully, be your regular students, so that you can increase your bookings and have that schedule that you have always dreamed of, your perfect hours. So far, we've talked about writing your bio, making your intro video, and today we're going to be focusing on how to create your perfect profile picture and to select the right lifestyle photos to market yourself as a teacher to the parents and students viewing your account. Now, your profile picture is arguably the most important part of your VIPKid teacher profile. Now, why do I say that? Well, because it's the first thing they see. Before they read your bio, before they will look at your intro video, parents are just going to see that little bubble with your face in it and your name next to it. They're looking at that against the 56,000 other teachers available to teach their child at VIPKid. That's a lot of competition, and you want to find a way to make your picture stand out. You want parents to be looking through this sea of teachers' faces against a white background and see your picture and say, wow, that's unique. That looks different than all these other teachers. This girl looks really interesting. This guy looks like his class is a lot of fun. I'm gonna check their profile out. So that's the goal with your profile picture, is to draw parents in further and make them say, I want to know more about this teacher. And when they click on your account, that's when they're gonna see your intro video, read your bio, and make that final decision whether they want you to teach their child or not. So how do you create this attraction and kind of reel them in from just a picture? Well, I'm gonna give you some simple tips today, practical ways that you can do that, how you can make your profile picture unique. Tip number one is to look your best. Do your hair, do your makeup, make sure you are on your A game, looking your very finest for your profile picture. Chinese parents are very much about physical appearance and looking professional and just the, I guess, superficial side, partially because they're not going to know anything about your actual teaching experience. There's not really a way to show that through just a profile picture. It's not to say that it's because they're superficial people, but literally when you're just looking at a bunch of pictures, all you have to go off of is the superficial. So be looking your best in that picture for sure. Make sure you're in good lighting, that you have some lighting that like makes your face pop and you're very visible, your face is facing towards the camera, and try to wear it orange. It'll make you look more like you're part of the VIPKid team. Tip number two, although we are trying to go for a unique look, we also do want to keep this picture professional. So make sure to take your picture in front of a neutral looking background, like your teaching background. You can do it outside in front of like some trees or in front of a white wall, just something that is kind of neutral. We just don't want to see like a couch or your kitchen or your bed in the background. You want to be the only one in the picture, no pictures with like you and a friend or anything like that. Just keep it simple to just you and a neutral background. Tip number three, again with the lighting, you just want to make sure that you are in the best lighting possible, which kind of goes with what I already mentioned with looking your best. I do find that natural lighting works best. So you could sit by a window, you could actually go outside to get that natural lighting. I just find that that is the best way to light up your face and get you looking your absolute best in your profile picture. You could also try putting some lamps around you. The best way to get lighting is to put lamps in front of you and light on either side of you. So for example, I have a window on this side letting in a lot of natural light, so I also have a lamp over on this side to kind of balance that light out. Then I have two more lamps kind of on the inner side reflecting off this white wall, and then I have a lamp in front of me to get this lighting effect. Tip number 4 should go without saying, but you do want to, of course, smile in your profile picture. You want to look like you are excited. You cannot wait to meet their child. If you're taking a picture that looks like a mugshot, they might not think that you are the best to work with children. So a big smile, excitement, positive energy, it's all very important for your profile picture. Tip number 5, like I was saying before, is to do something unique with your picture. You can do a unique pose, or you can hold a cool prop, or wear a funny headband, or weird glasses, anything like that to make you look fun and appealing to parents and students. In my picture, I'm holding this thing. It's just like a little rainbow pinwheel type deal, and I'm just hanging on to it and smiling, and that's really it for my profile picture. But the rainbow, it doesn't really match this background, but my background that I had at the time, the colors went really well with my teaching background, so I used that. You could hold up an instrument or like a soccer ball or something that like represents your interests or represents something that you do in class. You could hold up flashcards, anything like that to kind of portray you and your personality, or the energy in your class is great to put in your profile picture. The last tip I want to mention to you, tip number 6, is that whatever you decide to do in your profile picture, make sure that it can be cropped into a square. You will have to crop your picture into a square when you upload it to the VIPKid website, and your picture will always appear to parents in a square or a circle. So nothing worse than doing a ton of work to make your profile picture look amazing and then finding out it doesn't, like the whole thing doesn't fit into your square or circle, or the top of your head's chopped off, or whatever prop you're holding is only half in the picture. Like, that would be horrible. So just make sure whatever you do, you can crop it into a square. So those are my recommended best practices for your profile picture. Now let's talk about your lifestyle pictures. So you get 2 lifestyle pictures to post on your account, and these are basically just to kind of tell or show a little bit about you. This is really where you can kind of add that element of personability and authenticity to your to the vibe of your teaching account. So some ideas for these lifestyle photos: you can do pictures of your family, that's totally fine. Your pets, once again, like I mentioned in the video about your intro video, students love pets. You can do pictures of you teaching, and by teaching I mean like pretending to teach, like doing like this with your mouth or something, or like holding up a prop and pretending to say something. So you could do something like that. Another really good type of picture that I would recommend posting is if you have a picture of you and like some kids. So like if you're a teacher and you have pictures of some kids in your class with you, or if you have nieces or nephews, or pictures of you from like a mission trip or something with a bunch of kids, that's great to just show parents that you have experience with kids, you're good with kids, kids love you. Whatever you decide to choose for your lifestyle pictures, just remember that you are limited to 2. So don't post 2 of the same thing. You want to really make them count. So don't do like selfies or something like that. We already see your profile picture. We know what you look like. Don't post 2 pictures of your family. Add some variety, like your family and you playing soccer, or you with your pet and a picture of you on a mission trip with some kids, or whatever you have. Just make sure there are 2 like different types of pictures, so you really can portray the most about your personality and your way of relating to people. You really want to show off who you are in these pictures. So that is all for today. I hope this video gave you some good ideas for your profile picture on VIPKid and your lifestyle photos as well. If you have any questions about what is appropriate for any of these pictures, you can always hit me up in the comments. I'd be happy to connect with you and answer those questions. My email is also in the description, the video description for you guys, so feel free to email me as well. I am a referral coach at VIPKid, and I would love to help you get hired and send you all of the free resources that I offer to my referrals. So if you are interested in those services, please also go ahead and email me, and I'll be really excited to get in touch with you about that. Thank you guys again for watching. Make sure to keep an eye out for my last video in the VIPKid hiring series. Yay! It's gonna be all about how to prepare for your first VIPKid class ever. So you won't wanna miss it. Make sure you hit the bell notification and subscribe to my channel so that you'll get notified as soon as it comes out, and I will see you guys then. Happy teaching!